It's a big move by Punjab government and Punjab police. Shambhu border, which was in the eye of the storm for the past 1 year or so, is now being cleared. What we see around here is not just posse of policemen, but also a large number. What is the plan of action? We have with us the DIG, Harmanbir Singh. Let's just have a word with him. Sir, you've actually sprung a surprise at a time where talks were going on with the center. The moment they came out, some of the leaders were arrested. What is the action plan? What instructions have been given out by the government?
So there is no such instructions that there should not be any use of force. So we have totally gone by the procedure. We appealed to our Kisan brothers to that their dharna is illegal and unlawful. They should remove it. So they agreed to our appeal and they have taken away their unlawful dharna. So some of them have voluntarily surrendered before us, and some of them they want that we should be sent to our homes back, and we are arranging the transportation. And
How many farmers were present here when the force came in?
they were approximately, I think, 150 or 200 approximately. Lot of them has voluntarily gone to their houses back. So lot of them have agreed to our appeal. 40 to 50 were they were detained, but now they are also saying that we should be released and we want to go back to our homes. If anybody will say, anybody will wanted that he should be arrested, so we will follow the procedure.
Has it been an uphill task? Do tell us, because what we see is a lot of policemen. What is the plan as far as opening up of Shambhu border is concerned? Because what we see is a huge number of tractors and trolley. How many numbers are there, and how many days will it take to really clear this?
See, from our side, this will be cleared in next 1 or 2 hours. So this is
With the tractor and trolleys.
trolleys and tractors. We are going to only trolleys are here. Tractors we have hired. So we are going to take these trolleys to a yard we have already earmarked. So illegal just construction or just structures are here. We are going to demolish them, following the proper procedure. And this from our side, this road will be totally cleared.
One final question. Every time farmers have called out or given out a call, there have been thousands of farmers, up to 550,000. In that case, what really happens? What is the preparation for that?
About law and order, whatever Kisan gave a call. So we'll see. Intelligence agencies are there. We will get all the inputs. So as per their plannings, we'll all the arrangements we'll put our arrangements in place.
So as of now, will you say that Shambhu border is Kisan free? Is farmer free?
Totally free.
Totally free. Thank you so much for speaking to us.